Hello and welcome to Tekgainers. My name is Chandra and I am a technology explorer. This video is part of Spring Boot recipes and today we will see developer tools in action. So let's start. We will continue with the Hello Spring Boot application which was developed in last video. You can find the same in the playlist Spring Boot recipes and the code is present in the GitHub location as well. First thing first, what exactly is DevTools? So we have seen that with every little change, we need to restart our application, which is little annoying as it takes its own sweet time. For developers, Spring Boot has additional set of tools which makes the application development process a little more pleasant, and that is Spring DevTools. Let's see it in action. This is the last project which we have developed. Here we'll just open the pom.xml, and for DevTools to action, we'll just need to add one more dependency, which is Spring DevTools. So we copy paste this dependency and we'll just make it Spring Boot DevTools. And as a best practice, we will make it as optional because this will not be going in the production. So this is for the development only. So now we have added and we are good to go. So let's start our application. Yeah, so this is a cool banner which I have added. So you can see my further videos to see how we can add this to our Spring Boot application. Okay, so we can see this live reload server is running on port 35729. Okay, so that means our DevTools is working fine. So now we can go to our IntelliJ IDE and we can update the controller message Spring Boot updated. Save the file, build the module. Yeah, we can see that the changes are evaluated. Let's refresh it. Yeah, so it is now updated. One thing we have talked about earlier, it is live reload server. So live reload server is the content is automatically updated. Okay, so we have a plugin in Chrome, live reload Chrome extension. Okay, so I have added this in my Chrome. If you want, you can do it, and then you can see enable live reload. Okay, so for this uh, web endpoint, if I am enabling it, so live reload is connected. You can see the message updated demo for live reload and build the module. So you can see automatically it has taken the values. So this section is for the users who are using Eclipse IDE. So you can see that I have loaded the same project in Eclipse, and this is the DevTools dependency. Okay, so let's start the application here. Yeah, so our application is started, and let's go. Okay, so this application is up and running, and live reload server is also listening. Okay, just we'll change the message from Eclipse. Just save it, and you can see that the application is started. So in IntelliJ we were building the module, and in Eclipse we will just save it. Yeah, fine. It is working fine. You can see the message. So what to do if we want to disable this automatic restart? Okay. So Spring Boot has this configuration properties. Okay. So we can add this spring dot dev tools dot restart dot enabled equal to true. Okay, so we can make it false. True is by default, and once you do it, and build the module. Okay, so the condition is changed now and it is evaluated. And let's see if application is working, and go to the controller and try to delete this message. Okay, and the message remains the same. Okay, so now the automatic restart is disabled. Okay, so this is how we do the disabling of the developer tools. So now the question is, how does Spring Boot handles automatic restart? So Spring Boot works by using two class loaders. One is base class loader, which is having all the classes from third party jars, and second is your restart class loader, in which the active development is happening. For example, we are working on our controller class. So whenever the files on class path changes, we have changed the message. So what will happen? The base class loader remain as it is intact, but the restart class loader is thrown away by the Spring Boot and a new restart class loader is created. So because of this, the Spring automatic restarts are much faster than code restart. So here we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Source code is present here in my GitHub repository. If you like the content, please share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel to get latest videos. Thanks.